A very good evening to you all. Today I am here to accept the Leadership Award for Sectoral Excellence in Facilities Management Services on behalf of Mr. Amit Mittal, who is the Managing Director of A to Z Group. It is indeed a great privilege to receive this award, and I would like to thank the jury of Amity Business for bestowing us with this immense honor. Incorporated in 2002, A to Z is one of the fastest growing enterprises on the Indian business horizon. Initially, the group began its operations with facilities management and later entered in the engineering, procurement and construction business as well. Since then, the group has diversified in various businesses like municipal solid waste management, renewable energy and power IT applications. The group had a modest beginning in the field of facilities management, where we were providing soft services, security services, accommodation services, and electromechanical services. With a humble turnover of 29 lakhs in the first financial year, we began to explore niche opportunities in facilities management space and identified engineering maintenance and energy saving solutions as some of the key growth factors. In the year 2004, we became the first ISO 9001 certified company in facilities management and have started catering to public sector clients like Indian Railways under Clean Train Station scheme. After achieving a turnover of 4 crores in the year 2005, we became a leading player in the facilities management sphere, offering 360 degrees integrated solutions to all our clients across India, and are constantly expanding our services portfolio by introducing innovative and customized solutions. Consequently, by 2008-9, we achieved 50 crores revenue and demerged from the parent company as a new entity called A to Z Infra Services Limited. We lay strong emphasis in creating harmonious relationship with our clients and consistently strive hard to provide optimum solutions to our clients with their dynamic needs. Today we have extensive portfolio of over 200 plus clients across India. Some of them are in BFSI sector, in aviation sector like GMR, Aviva, ICICI, Spencer's, Reliance, DLF, IBM, of course ASL also, just to name few. Our near 100% client retention record and high satisfaction levels have enabled us to attain preferred vendor status with the Indian Railways and other clients as well. Our blend of skilled people, structured processes and modern technology help us to provide cohesive solutions for ever-changing needs of our clients. Our strong manpower base of 16,000 plus employees today enables us to undertake exhaustive projects throughout India. With our prime objective of empowering the nation, all our business verticals pay unprecedented emphasis on providing the country's inclusive growth and green quotient. We have generated employment opportunities for the unorganized sector and are committed in uplifting the social and economic status of minimum wage worker. We have already carved our name in ESCO world by successfully implementing various energy-saving projects in high-rise buildings, industries, and many commercial establishments. The energy saved is energy produced, is the popular belief and the source of the company's high inspiration levels. In line with our growth and the expansion strategy in the year 2009, we acquired a company called CNCS in the similar space, and this year we have acquired IPMSL in the same space and booked a turnover of 100 crores the similar year. As an Indian company which was struggling to mark its presence in field dominated by internationally acclaimed MNCs and to reaching at the pinnacle of the service sector in just 8 years, we are proud of our growth and owe all our success to our employees, our clients and our vendors. Under the dynamic leadership of our MD, Mr. Amit Mittal, we plan to reach new heights by taking our company to international waters and continue to pioneer in contemporary service solutions. I would like to commend Amity Business School for its efforts in producing talented young individuals and thriving entrepreneurs. A to Z also believes in nurturing entrepreneurship and giving opportunities to young talent. Finally, I would like to thank Amity for acknowledging our contributions in the field of facilities management and honoring us with this special award. Thank you, everybody.
Amity Business School, on the occasion of 6th Global Leadership Summit, honors Mr. Amit Mittal, Chairman and Managing Director, A to Z Group, with Amity Leadership Award for Sectoral Excellence in Facility Management Services. A reputed and highly acclaimed civil engineer, Mr. Amit Mittal is widely acknowledged as a frontline leader. His extraordinary reputation in project management is undoubtedly due to a great success he has achieved in all aspects of project planning, development and implementation in power, oil and infrastructure sectors. As an industry icon, Mr. Mittal is at the helm of the affairs of A to Z Group. In particular, he is also the Chairman and Managing Director of A to Z Infrastructure and Chairman and Managing Director of A to Z Infra Services, which he so very ably leads and nurtures. A multifaceted achiever, Mr. Mittal has many admirers, and his outstanding contribution to the industry were recognized when he was awarded the Ernest and Young Award for the Startup Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. Amity Business School, Amity University, is proud to confer the Amity Leadership Award on Mr. Amit Mittal for Sectoral Excellence in Facility Management Services.